Welcome back to Keith's channel, and I am his granddaughter, and today we are going to be making flies. First we put the hook into this thingamabobber.
Vice.
Vice. Okay. There we go. And then we put this into this, and we'll see you guys whenever we're done with it. Second, we put this in through, and then we get the string. We put that in through there. Take that, and then we pull this out. Here we go.
You did it.
Hey.
All right.
So here's the third step. You wrap this in like that, up and then back again. And then you can, mostly, when you're done, you see it's secure. So then you can cut this off. That. And then we just keep on wrapping. Wrap. The thread to the end of the hook, and now we're going to put the marabou tail on. Wrap the marabou tail onto the hook. So just like how we got the thread on the hook, we're just going to keep on wrapping. Now we're going to secure the hackle to the hook. Some technical difficulties. There we go. Now we're going to wrap the ice chenille over the hook. So like this. To the eye, sort of the eye of the hook. So then it will give it like a little pretty look. After we've wrapped the thread to secure it, wow, that thread's going crazy. So after we wrap the thread to secure it, now we cut the thread like that. Now we're going to wrap the hackle around the body, like so. So then it gives it a really cool look. Like so. Now we will secure the hackle with a few strands of thread. Oops. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut off the excess piece of the hackle, like so. Make sure you do not cut the thread, or then that will be a big no-no. So I got a top of a pen. You see, we took the pen off. So the top of a pen. So it's pretty simple. So now you have to keep the pen top up, and then you can do that a couple of times. Never put it down, because you know what happens if you put it down? Look at that. That's a big no-no. So you put it up. Oh, no. Put it up. Okay, I gotta get it a little bit closer. And like that. There you go.
Good.
When you have enough half inches, you can cut the thread. Not the thread, it's a thread, like this. It's done. So now you have your finished woolly bugger. This is especially for fly fishing. It's a woolly bugger, and it's completely black. It's very fluffy. So whenever you go fly fishing, you can just get this little fly. It's a woolly bugger. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button to help us out very much. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.